Python string formatting has evolved from the percent operator, a legacy C-style method, to the dot format method introduced in Python 2.6/3.0, offering more flexibility and object-oriented capabilities. Today, f-strings, introduced in Python 3.6, provide fast, intuitive literal string interpolation, making them the preferred choice for modern developers. Python's string formatting has evolved from the percent operator, a legacy C-style method, to the dot format method introduced in Python 2.6/3.0, offering more flexibility and object-oriented capabilities. The modern f-strings, introduced in Python 3.6, provide fast, intuitive literal string interpolation, making them the preferred choice for developers today. The format method, introduced in Python 2.6 and 3.0, enhanced string formatting with placeholders and arguments. It supports positional and named arguments, number formatting, and alignment. Despite its flexibility, it can become verbose. For example, using positional arguments. Hello, to you. You are years old. Format, name, age, or named arguments. Hello, person. You are years old. Format, person name, years, age. F-strings revolutionized Python 3.6 with concise syntax, embedding expressions directly in strings without dot format, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. This enhances readability by placing variables in line, making code easier to scan. Performance is superior as f-strings are evaluated at runtime as compiled expressions. They support full expression execution, allowing calculations and function calls within curly brackets. String formatting in Python has evolved significantly. Initially, the percent operator offered basic C-style formatting. Python 2.6 introduced the dot format, open parenthesis method, enhancing flexibility with named placeholders. Python 3.6 revolutionized this with f-strings, offering speed and clarity. Today, f-strings are the standard, continually improving modern Python development. F-strings, or formatted string literals, revolutionize string handling in Python. By prefixing a string with f or f, you can embed expressions directly within curly braces. This allows for instant evaluation and automatic conversion to strings, enhancing code readability and maintainability. Whether using variables or complex expressions, f-strings streamline your coding process. An f-string starts with f or f, followed by a string with expressions in curly braces. This allows variables to be directly interpolated into the output, enhancing readability. For example, with variables like name, age, and city, you can create f-strings such as f hello, name, to produce clean, readable code without separate argument lists.